Aging is something we all experience, but how we age, both inside and out, is largely within our control. Many people think that looking youthful is all about expensive creams, injections, or quick fixes. But the truth is far simpler and more powerful. It starts with understanding your body, your habits, and your mindset. Every day, small choices you make, what you put on your skin, what you eat, how you move, and how you think, either support your health and vitality or accelerate the aging process. In this video, I'm going to reveal 11 things you should never put on your face. And more importantly, I'll show you how to nourish your body, move with purpose, cultivate healthy lifestyle habits, and embrace a positive mindset that keeps you feeling vibrant and confident at any age. This isn't about fighting time. It's about empowering your body and mind to function at their best, helping your skin glow naturally, and letting your energy and confidence shine through every single day. Many people don't realize that what they put on their face every single day has a profound impact on how quickly their skin ages. We live in a world full of products promising youthful, glowing skin, but the truth is, most of these products are full of harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances, alcohols, and preservatives that actually do more harm than good. When you apply these substances, they strip away your skin's natural oils, which are essential for keeping it soft, hydrated, and resilient. Over time, this leads to dryness, irritation, and even inflammation, which accelerates the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Alcohol-based toners and cleansers, for example, might give you a temporary feeling of freshness, but they leave your skin exposed and vulnerable, making it harder for your body to maintain its natural protective barrier. Even some well-known anti-aging creams contain ingredients that, while marketed as rejuvenating, can actually disrupt the skin's delicate balance and trigger premature aging. Many people also overlook synthetic fragrances. These are added to give products a pleasant smell, but for your skin, they act as irritants, often causing redness, sensitivity, or allergic reactions. Over time, repeated exposure to these irritants breaks down the collagen and elastin fibers that keep your skin firm and elastic, speeding up sagging and the formation of deeper wrinkles. Another factor to consider is the use of chemical exfoliants that are too strong or applied too frequently. While gentle exfoliation can support skin renewal, harsh treatments remove too many layers at once, leaving your skin raw and more prone to damage from environmental stresses like light and pollution. Many people don't realize that your skin is a living organ that reflects your overall health. So what you put on it matters just as much as what you put in your body. Natural, gentle alternatives, like oils rich in antioxidants, plant-based serums, and mild cleansers, support your skin's ability to regenerate and maintain hydration without stripping it of essential nutrients. Choosing products that are free of unnecessary chemicals and irritants is an investment in your long-term appearance. It's about trusting your body's natural processes and giving your skin the care it actually needs, rather than relying on quick fixes that may backfire in the long run. By avoiding these harmful products consistently, you reduce inflammation, preserve your skin's elasticity, and protect the vital structures that keep your face looking youthful. Over time, this approach not only slows visible signs of aging, but also helps your skin feel healthier, smoother, and more vibrant. The key is awareness and intentionality. Understanding that not every product marketed to you is beneficial, and that sometimes the simplest, gentlest options are the most effective. Nourishing your body from within is the cornerstone of maintaining youthful, vibrant skin, and yet so many people overlook the power of what they eat. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health, and the nutrients you provide it through your diet directly influence its elasticity, hydration, and overall glow. When you consume nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to repair and regenerate skin cells efficiently. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin K, which help fight free radical damage and support collagen production. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth, and without sufficient nutrients, your body cannot maintain it effectively, leading to sagging and wrinkles over time. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, are essential for maintaining the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture, and preventing dryness and flackiness. Omega-3 fatty acids, in particular, reduce inflammation and protect against environmental stressors, keeping your skin calm and radiant. Protein is another critical element, as amino acids from proteins are the building blocks for collagen and elastin, which give your skin structure and flexibility. Without adequate protein, your skin loses strength and resilience, making it more prone to wrinkles and fine lines. Hydration also plays a key role in this internal nourishment. Drinking enough water each day supports circulation and helps flush out toxins that can otherwise accumulate and dull your skin's appearance. Combining proper hydration with foods that have a high water content, like cucumbers, melons, and oranges, gives your skin a natural plumpness that no cream can replicate. Many older adults find that focusing on nutrient-rich meals instead of processed foods not only improves their skin, but also enhances energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being, creating a positive feedback loop where their health and appearance reinforce each other. Avoiding refined sugars and excess processed foods is equally important, as these can trigger inflammation, glycation, and oxidative stress, all of which accelerate the aging process. By consciously choosing foods that support cellular repair and anti-inflammatory processes, you're giving your skin a head start in maintaining a youthful, healthy appearance. This approach isn't about temporary fixes or following the latest trends. It's about making consistent, sustainable choices that benefit your body and skin every single day. The better you nourish yourself from the inside, the more your skin will reflect vitality, energy, and resilience, and the more empowered you feel to embrace aging with confidence and grace. Incorporating light exercise into your daily routine is one of the most powerful ways to maintain youthful, radiant skin, even as you age. Many people assume that exercise is only about weight loss or building muscle, but its benefits go far deeper, especially when it comes to your skin and overall vitality. When you move your body, even gently, you increase circulation, which brings oxygen and essential nutrients to every cell, including the delicate cells in your skin. This improved blood flow nourishes your skin from within, supporting repair, regeneration, and a healthy, natural glow that no topical cream can replicate. Light exercise also stimulates the lymphatic system, which is responsible for flushing out toxins and waste products from your body. When the lymphatic system functions efficiently, your skin appears clearer, firmer, and more vibrant, because toxins that can cause dullness, puffiness, and inflammation are removed regularly. Simple activities such as a daily walk, gentle stretching, yoga, or even light resistance exercises are enough to stimulate these processes. These movements don't just improve circulation, they also strengthen muscles underneath the skin, providing natural support and reducing the sagging that comes with aging. Many older adults underestimate the impact of maintaining muscle tone, but firm, well-supported skin gives your face and body a lifted, youthful appearance. Exercise also helps regulate hormones, including stress-related hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your skin if left unchecked. High cortisol levels contribute to inflammation, acne, and accelerated aging, but consistent light activity helps balance these hormones, leaving your skin calmer, smoother, and more resilient. Another important factor is how exercise affects your posture and confidence. Standing tall, moving gracefully, and feeling strong sends signals not only to your body, but also to your brain, which boosts your mood and reinforces a positive mindset. This inner confidence is reflected outwardly, giving your face a natural radiance and vitality that cannot be faked. Hydration is naturally improved through exercise too, as your body signals the need for water, helping to maintain skin elasticity and plumpness. Consistency is key. You don't need hours in the gym or intense workouts to see benefits. What matters is moving your body daily and making it a habit that supports both your internal health and external appearance. Over time, this regular, mindful movement creates a ripple effect, improving energy levels, sleep quality, digestion, and mental clarity, all of which further enhance your skin's health. Light exercise is not just about physical fitness. It is about creating a lifestyle that encourages your body to function optimally, slows down the visible signs of aging, and helps you feel vibrant, confident, and empowered in every stage of life. Prioritizing lifestyle habits is a crucial part of maintaining youthful skin and overall health, especially as we age. Many people focus solely on creams, supplements, or exercise, but the way we live our daily lives has a far greater impact on how our skin and bodies age. Sleep, for instance, is one of the most powerful tools for regeneration and repair. During deep sleep, your body produces growth hormones that help rebuild tissues, including the skin. Lack of quality sleep can lead to puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and a dull complexion, while consistently getting restorative rest supports a smooth, vibrant, and resilient appearance. Beyond sleep, managing stress is equally important. Chronic stress floods the body with cortisol, a hormone that triggers inflammation, breaks down collagen, and accelerates the visible signs of aging. Integrating stress-reducing practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, mindfulness, or spending quiet time in nature allows your body to return to balance, reducing inflammation and giving your skin a healthier, calmer appearance. Daily routines that prioritize relaxation and self-care are not indulgences. They are essential for maintaining your vitality. Hydration is another key lifestyle factor. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your skin plump, supple, and less prone to dryness or wrinkles, while also supporting circulation and toxin removal. Pairing hydration with a nutrient-rich diet amplifies these benefits, creating a holistic system where your lifestyle choices reinforce your internal and external health. Limiting exposure to harmful environmental factors is also part of a healthy lifestyle. Sun protection, avoiding excessive heat or harsh climates, and minimizing contact with pollutants can prevent oxidative damage that accelerates skin aging. Incorporating simple habits like wearing protective clothing, using gentle natural skincare products, and maintaining a clean environment for your home all contribute to preserving the integrity of your skin over time. Social connections and emotional well-being are often overlooked, but they play a significant role in aging gracefully. Positive relationships, meaningful interactions, and laughter stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which reduce stress and promote overall health. Engaging in activities that bring joy, purpose, and connection supports mental and emotional balance, and this inner harmony naturally radiates through your appearance. Consistency is key, making small, intentional choices every day, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, staying hydrated, protecting your skin, and nurturing your emotional health creates a lifestyle that slows the visible and internal effects of aging. Over time, these habits compound, producing not only healthier, more youthful skin, but also a stronger, more resilient body and a more vibrant, confident presence. When your lifestyle supports your body's natural rhythms and needs, you allow your skin to thrive, your energy to increase, and your overall quality of life to improve, demonstrating that aging gracefully is not about fighting time, but about respecting and nurturing your body and mind each day. Cultivating a positive mindset is one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, ways to maintain youthful energy and a vibrant appearance. As we age, it's easy to become focused on what's lost or what's changing, but the truth is, your mental and emotional outlook has a direct impact on your physical health, your skin, and the way you present yourself to the world. When you approach life with gratitude, optimism, and joy, your body responds with lower levels of stress hormones, reduced inflammation, and improved circulation, all of which contribute to healthier, more resilient skin. Every smile, every moment of genuine laughter, and every act of appreciation sends positive signals through your nervous system, boosting endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, the chemicals that make you feel happy, calm, and energized. These neurotransmitters not only improve your mood, but also enhance your body's natural ability to repair cells and fight oxidative stress, which slows the signs of aging. A positive mindset also encourages better lifestyle choices without the need for force or discipline. When you feel good about yourself and your life, you naturally choose foods, movement, and habits that support your well-being. You're more likely to eat nutrient-dense meals, move your body with joy, stay hydrated, get restful sleep, and engage in activities that enrich your mental and emotional health. Conversely, chronic negativity, pessimism, or self-criticism can accelerate aging by increasing stress, disrupting hormonal balance, and creating tension in your facial muscles that leads to deeper lines and a fatigued appearance. Mindset is not just about thinking happy thoughts. It's about creating a sustainable, intentional way of living where gratitude, mindfulness, and positive self-talk become daily practices. Visualization techniques, journaling, affirmations, and spending time in environments that uplift your spirit are practical ways to reinforce this mindset. Surrounding yourself with people who inspire, support, and encourage you further amplifies the benefits, as human connection strengthens resilience, emotional balance, and a sense of purpose. Even small shifts, like choosing to focus on what is going well rather than dwelling on challenges, can create profound changes over time in your overall energy and how your body expresses vitality. A positive mindset also fosters adaptability and resilience, which are crucial for navigating the inevitable changes that come with aging. By embracing life with curiosity and enthusiasm, you reduce anxiety and tension that often manifest physically in the form of lines, dull skin, or a hunched posture. In essence, your mind is a powerful tool for influencing not only your emotions, but also your physiology. The energy you cultivate internally radiates outwardly, affecting your posture, your expression, your interactions, and even the way your skin responds to stress and environmental factors. Choosing to nurture your mental and emotional well-being every day creates a foundation for graceful aging, improved confidence, and a natural vibrancy that cannot be manufactured by any product or procedure.